Good morning. Well, it is very early in the morning for me at least. Why is it so dark? Anyways, a little bit after 5 o'clock. And yeah, the reason why I'm awake, my husband wants to take us as a family with his truck today. It's actually a long weekend, so he just have to go load off one load, and yeah, we can go with him. Haven't gone with him since Michelle was born. There comes one kid down. Anyways, that's what we're going to do today in the morning. I think at 10 o'clock we should be back already, so we'll see how it will do. But yep, we are going as a family in the truck today. Things what we need on a truck is some toys and water for the kids, and a little bit. We do not have much baking snack at home, so I did a little bit chips what we had at home, and some fruits, apples and grapes, and a bottle for baby, and blankets, and that's it, I think. I'm sorry, baby girl, for waking you up so early. But we wanna go on the truck with Dad. Yeah, you're so sleepy. Let's buckle you on and then get you in the truck. Everybody is waiting for you. Not just for you, for me too. Okay, see you later. How is everybody doing in here? Huh? Just a little bit to load off a loaded thing. And we come back. Whoop. The seatbelt was behind. No. Okay, now it worked. The door. Alrighty, let's go. Hey baby, you're still not so sure what's happened to you. Do I have your leche? Oh yeah, okay. Hey baby, this is how she has been a long time, just looking around. She does not know what's happening to her. What are you doing, huh? Going on the truck for the first time. Yes. Yeah.
Look here. The blanket hole. Woo.
Now sit down in the bed, Grace. She has been sleeping for a while now because we just arrived at the station, at the gas station, and Henry is filling up the truck. So yeah, we have been driving for probably 1 hour, close to 1 hour. I just noticed, I don't know how loud the music was when I was talking, but
It's very dark.
well, you guys made the light out to find your flashlight, right? I mean, to use your flashlight. What I want to say is that Michelle here,
And that's it.
oops, got her very first tooth yesterday. Isn't that true, huh? Or at least it peeks out there already, so I was feeling in her mouth and then there was a sharp tooth coming out, so we are very excited about that. Milestone. where we have to load off our load, and it has worked really well. Michelle right there, it was her first.
The girls win.
Baby, lay down, okay? Don't try to sit up. Road trip, truck. Wait a minute. And she has been doing really good. Just sleep and look around. Lots of look around, because there was with big round eyes. She was looking around because she did not know what was happened to her. And Grace has slept a long time, and Alex did not sleep so much because he had a long night. But anyways, it has worked really well so far. Hi, baby.
Not yours. Oh, you.
No, do not throw with money. You will hit Michelle or mommy maybe.
I'm here. Is Daddy's coming?
He's still outside. He has to load off now.
Load the trailer off?
No, just the seed or what he had in the trailer. Horse food? Did Daddy say? I don't think it was horse food. So I see Daddy already. Sit down in that bed again, okay? Here's our load, but we just load
I
up.
wonder when we're all done.
I've never seen it like this. I just do it on the floor, but apparently it works like this too. Good evening. This is many hours later. We had a very busy day. Family came over to help us make ready to set up our boiler for the winter, and yeah, we had a great ride in the truck in the morning, and it is not so late, but the kids are very tired, so I'll end my video here, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.